Hello guys, welcome to my Laurentic channel. Today I have 4 recipes, cookies for dogs. Let's get started. For the recipe number 1, we are gonna need 1/4 of oats, 1/4 of flour, 2 spoons of peanut butter, water or chicken, beef or veggies broth. Okay, first we are gonna add to the bowl the oats, flour, 2 spoons of peanut butter, mix with a fork, and finally we are gonna add a little bit of water or broth and mix. Now it's time to knead the dough with clean hands. Until you can make a firm but soft ball of dough. And when you can dip your thumb into the dough and your thumb stays there and your finger comes out clean of the dough, that means the dough is ready. So now make a cookie shapes. If you don't have a cookie cutters, don't worry. Just make a little ball with your hands and make a circular shape. And that's it. But I have this cute cookie cutter, so I will make some shapes. And we are ready to bake them. This is the recipe number 2. We are gonna need some kale leaves and olive oil or coconut oil. First, you have to wash the kale and cut into small pieces. Then we have to dry it with a napkin or towel. And when they are dry, we are gonna add a little bit of oil. And just rub them with your clean hands. Until your kale is completely oily. So they are ready to bake. Okay, recipe number 3. We will need grated carrot, 1 egg, 1/4 of flour, 1/4 of oats, water or chicken, beef or veggies broth. Into a bowl, I'm gonna be adding about 2 spoons of grated carrots, then the egg, but please beat the egg before you add, okay? And pour slowly until you get a good consistency of cookie dough. Okay, mix everything. Now I'm gonna be adding the oats. Now the flour. Mix everything with a fork until you have a good consistency. Guys, don't worry, you can replace the egg for any puree. You can use fruits or veggies, okay? Now it's time to use our clean hands. Just make small balls with your hands, like this, and we are ready to bake them. And this is my last recipe, number 4. We are gonna need blueberries, 1/4 of flour, 1/4 of oats, water or chicken, beef or veggies broth, and optional peanut butter. Look guys, I will use the dough from the recipe number 1 and I will add only 1 spoon of blueberries. Mash them with a fork and mix. If you see, my dough is wet now. In this case, we need more oats and flour. So let's add it. And finally, we have a good consistency. Try to put pieces of blueberry over the dough. And it's time to make a cookie shapes with this cute cookie cutter. Look at my cute cookie! And right now, we are ready to bake them. I have this tray to bake all my cookies and I already preheat my oven. So now I place all my cookies in the tray. And I made this with aluminum foil. And in there I will place the pieces of kale. Now we are ready to bake all of these things at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. 15 minutes are passing and let's check our cookies. They are good, so good. Now let's flip the kale leaves and bake everything for 5 minutes more. Okay, 20 minutes in total are passed and our cookies are done. Look how cute are these cookies, guys. Let's see my dog's reaction. She's Candy, my coton de tulear, and she loves the recipe number 1. Yay! Here I have the recipe number 2, the kale chips. They are very crispy. And I know my little girl Candy will love them. You see, I tell you, she loves them. Here is the recipe number 3, our mini carrot balls. And of course, she's loving them. You see? If you are new here today, please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week and please follow me on my social media. And the last recipe, number 4. They are crunchy and Candy is enjoying this recipe too. Guys, I love to see my little girl Candy enjoying my recipes. Which recipe she loves more? I will read your comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new today and follow me on my social media. I have new recipes for you guys every Wednesdays and Candy has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.